Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jacobs. If your healthy snack looks like a health bomb, you're in for a surprise. Alright, health enthusiasts, here are 3 popular healthy foods that might be hiding dangerous ingredients. Number 1. Granola bars. They seem harmless, but some are packed with sugars and artificial additives. Your healthy snack could be a sugar bomb in disguise. Number 2. Flavored yogurt. It sounds healthy, right? But check the label. Many are loaded with more sugar than a donut. And finally, number 3. Veggie chips. Just because they say veggie doesn't always mean healthy. These crunchy treats can be high in salt and unhealthy fats, struggling with pain, fatigue, or inflammation. What if the food you eat is making it worse? In Eat to Heal, I reveal the ASTR diet, a simple, science-backed approach to healing your body naturally. No complicated rules, just real solutions that work. If you're ready to take control of your health and feel better fast, click the link below to get your copy today.